How to turn off speech when typing on iPhone. Hi guys, welcome back to AI Plus More. Today I'll be showing you how to turn off and on your speech when typing on iPhone. First thing is we're going to want to go into our settings. Once we're on the setting home page, we're going to click into accessibility. Then we will click into spoken content. Go into typing feedback. Turn on the character feedback. I'm going to show you how it looks while it's on my messages quick.
Cat ELLO RELLDONTODA exclamation mark.
And to turn it off, we'll go through the same steps that we did earlier. I'll leave it on the screen. You can just pause it and read it. I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial today. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys!